Hello all, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about important thing to remember while using a Linux as a operating system. The command line is a most important part of Linux. There is a GUI also available, but the command line tool that allow you to do anything and which is not possible using a GUI. Linux is a case sensitive language. So that means the file written in lowercase and file written in uppercase are treated as two different files. Same cd and uppercase cd are treated as two different commands. In Linux, root user having full access to the system. That means root can do anything. This can be a powerful tool, but that also means you should be careful while using the root account as you can easily make the changes that could cause problem to your system. Linux uses a package management system to install, update and remove software. This makes it easy to install new software and keep system up to date, but it also means that you should be careful while installing packages as there may be dependency and conflict with other packages to your system. Linux has a strong community of users and developers. This means that there is a wealth of document support and other resources available online, but that also means you should be respectful of others while participating in an online forum and asking for help.